Do you have a change for $1? Do you have a change for $1? I have some coins. I have some coins. I need $5 in quarters. I need $5 in quarters. It just costs me another 50 cents. It just costs me another 50 cents. I'm out of quarters. I'm out of quarters. I'm kind of broke. I'm kind of broke. Do you know the exchange rate of the dollar against the euro? Do you know the exchange rate of the dollar against the euro? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? What is the currency used there? What is the currency used there? These dollars look forged. These dollars look forged. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money.